Welcome to Clever Cub Magic Phonics Fun. Today we're going to meet a very special letter, the magic E. Look at this word. K, A, P, cap. Can you say it with me? Cap. That's a short A sound. A, like apple. Now watch what happens when we add the magic E at the end. K, A, P. Now it says cape. The magic E makes the A say its name, A. Let's try another one. K, it, kit. Kite, kite. Aw, p, hop. O, p, hope. P, b. Cub, k, oo, b. Cube. A, d. Mad. A, d. Made. Thank you for watching, Clever Cubs. Keep practicing your phonics and have fun with Magic E. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.